Do you want a career that's dynamic, exciting, and can even be fun? Do you want a job that's in demand and one where you can work from anywhere with an internet connection? If you answered yes, then digital marketing could be a good fit for you. Every company needs marketing, and that means that as a digital marketer, you'll have the option of working across a wide range of industries and businesses. By studying a diploma of digital marketing, you'll build your skills in running effective digital marketing campaigns. You'll be empowered to plan campaigns, implement them, and review the results. By studying this course, you'll develop your skills and knowledge in valuable areas, including marketing automation. Be ready to use automation for your digital marketing. Discover how to use workflows to automate marketing activities and communications. Be equipped to get the right messages to the right people at the right time, with a little help from technology. E-commerce marketing. Learn how to use different digital marketing techniques to drive online sales. Discover how to run marketing campaigns that deliver good e-commerce results. Marketing experiments. Build your understanding of using testing to drive marketing performance. Learn how to run effective marketing experiments with the help of AI. These experiments will help you discover which marketing approaches work best. Organic marketing. Discover how you can get great marketing results without paying for advertising. Be equipped to use a variety of organic marketing techniques, from capturing customer testimonials to optimizing content to appear in AI responses. Omnichannel marketing. Learn how to bridge the gap between what people see online and what they experience offline. Discover how to run marketing campaigns that bring together people's experiences in the online world and the offline world. Persuasive copywriting. Build your ability to create content that drives people to take action. Develop your understanding of a range of techniques and AI tools you can use to create engaging and convincing content. Digital advertising. Learn how to use the paid side of digital marketing effectively. Develop your understanding of digital advertising options and how to use them for digital marketing campaigns. By the end of this qualification, you'll have in-demand skills in planning and running digital marketing campaigns. You'll understand how to use AI marketing tools to help you come up with creative campaign ideas. You'll also be empowered to optimize your marketing campaigns and report on their performance. Are you ready for an exciting digital marketing career? Then it's time to start a Diploma of Digital Marketing.